How to change age on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And as you probably know, TikTok does not have the option to change the age for some reason. I don't know why they don't allow you to change your age or modify your birthday. However, there's an easy workaround that we can use which will get the job done. So once you are on your profile page right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And when you get to this page, scroll down to the support and about section, and from there click on report a problem. And here you need to scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. And essentially what we are trying to do right here is we will contact the TikTok support team and ask them to change our birthday and modify our age on TikTok. So you can write them here, please change. I'm just going to do it briefly. You need to write a clear message that is detailed as to why you want to change it. For example, maybe you have mistakenly entered your birthday wrong or something like that, and you can even include screenshots or photos of an ID or something like that. Please change my birthday as I have entered it wrong. So write something like this. And once you are done, click on submit, and after a while they will get back to you to change your birthday with the specific birthday or age that you have provided. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change TikTok birthday. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.